Welcome back to Barnabas Gist, my wonderful people. My people, come here. The waiting they happen for inside Imo State. This one I waiting with they call Arrow. How Fulani take Kpai mama and pikin. My people, any man, Fulani kidnappers or waiting they call them take Kpai mother. Upon these people pay them, they still buy the small the pikin join for no reason and carry their body come keep for the roadside. My people, things are really happening. As we dey talk that one, they say yes, yeah, Wike, the young man who suddenly turned to old man. They say the man don't come outside though. He can't talk say he no be Igbo. He no want me to do come out work. We ain't give him. That minister of FCT, Wike like him so much and you don't want anything. We'll go make him lose that position. So we'll go come to that side, bring you the video, make you still watch and see how it they go. My wonderful people, as they watch, make sure say they share the video so that other people gonna get the information and know how it they go. Now I'm going to play you this video. May you hear what this our brother talk for here. How this thing take happen for inside Owerri, for Imo State, before we will come back and continue.
Emma, I na-ekwu okwu ndị Fulani Herzdsmán a ndị a na-akpa na Owerri West. Ọ na-adị some people call we are just raising alarm. You know, we are just raising alarm. Look at this young man na mayor on a screen again now. They were killed and murdered by the Fulani Herzdsmán. Now Amako Hubi on Owerri West, Igbo State. You can negotiate Amako Hubi from Irete or from Orogwe, depending on Ebi Shinagaya. You know? This woman in here now, here, down there here bush. Early morning I had a here bush. Can they Fulani Herzdsmán? Jiderie, Muchieye. We have with this woman. He have not the last 2 months. We have with this woman. The family are not. Hey, but I see what 5 million. Can release the woman. The family barewa raise 5 million naira. We okay. This boy ana pochimezi. Nye this little guy, this small boy na ana pochimezi. Oberenwa. Nye ngwa. Go and take it to Nde Fulani Herzdsmán on that. Non Amako Hubi Road. What I create brule the 5 million or Garo dia. He sees here the boy. He sees here the boy kidnap away. The family are na akpo. Okay. Ke ihe ha chọrọ ka ha mee? Is it to raise another money? What do they want? Ke ihe ndị a chọrọ ka eme? At the end of the day, ha gbanyo call. Banyo call, no more communication, no nothing. Achogide nwa na me at the end of the day. Ahụ ebe dosara ozu ha along the road. You know, when we raise alarm, we know why we are raising alarm. And because the government does not care. That is the truth. The government of the day does not care. And when I say communities raise forest guards, in fact, the most important thing any incoming governor 2027 Dimo having forest guards and the entire forest in Imo State. Me here, ihe na better gana ebekwa echi. Lotu eshiribu mma na nwa ya. A young, hard-working woman na-ata ahụhụ ịzụlite this boy na ịhụrụ nga na ụmụnne ndị ọzọ na-ata ahụhụ na-agba ahịa bush. Unu ma ihe we gba ahịa bush. Unu ma ihe ndị na-agba ahịa bush gba ajapụ early morning 4 a.m. ha mapụla ka agba ahịa bush ahịa ọha ji ebe a na-ebu ma plantain ma garị ma akpụ ma ihe ndị ọzọ so that before chide hụ ha alọtala n'ime ahịa ree ya the next day ha makwa ahịa gbakwa ahịa bush again. Now look at how Fulani Herzdsmán wasted this young woman and the son. I will keep saying this and I will never stop saying it. Probably our people are got there because we begi then obasahagi probably amegi got a. Every community, every traditional ruler should raise forest guards. Guide your forest. I've been talking about this forest since 2021. I've been talking about raising forest guards. Vigilantes gana wari mi mo here since 2021 road today akamne ofuokwa ahụ no 2021 akamne kwukwu road today ndị ma ada agota traditional rulers ada agota president generals ada agota village heads ada agota Unu lege governor anya n'ihu ka ọ bịa chekwa unu. It's a shame. I have said it. The government cannot protect you. Ihona police, they cannot protect you. Ihona army, they cannot protect you. You better protect yourself. Ihona ọhịa niile gbara unu kirikiri ndị omekome na-anọ n'ime. Ndị omekome juru n'ime ọhịa unu. Ma ndị kewu Fulani Herzdsmán, ma ndị kewu kidnappers, ma ndị kewu this, ma ndị kewu that. Protect yourself. Wagharịa nọ n'ime ọhịa. Protect your community. Protect your land. Unu ada anụ ife. Unu ada anụ ihe. Ntị na anụ ihe awụhụ ma ọha ka okpu ata. But at the end of the day, ekwucha awoka ahịa. After all, our people are so laissez-faire. It doesn't concern you. Probably ometo gị echi or concern aga. This woman na nwa ya n'iyi. Are you seeing it? Yet we have Ohanaeze. We have president generals of every community. Onye ọbụla gbaga government house ihere emegbukwa unu. Onye ọbụla chọga ịdị mma gọvanọ. Onye ọbụla chọga gọvanọ hụ ya sị onye dị mma. Onye ọbụla chọga ka ọ hapụ iwe echi ya kwuo asị na ọ gbaga government ụkwụ. You are a shame to your community. You are a shame to your generation if you are a president general and you are a traditional ruler and you cannot protect your community. Ihere emegbukwa ego. Now, people are dying. One day, ọ ga-emetụta gị, probably o metụta mmadụ, metụta mpaga, metụta nwanne gị nwoke ma nwanne gị nwaanyị, ma metụta nwa gị. That is when you will wake up. For now, raise community vigilante guards that will guide the forest. No gburugburu Imo State, no gburugburu your community. And I will keep saying it.
My people, you see what they happen? This thing they happen for inside the Imo State. They say many bushes, many forests. Remember last 2 years or last year, where did they pack these people they come? Where are those people? Where did they pack they go different states for Nigeria? Where are those people? People know they ask this question. Those people are living in our forests. You see them on TikTok, sharing money, showing money they have collected from our people. So as the government of Southeast, the governors are busy looking for ESN, Simon Ekpa group, looking for Nnamdi Kanu boys, looking for ESN, looking for Biafra army, looking for every damn thing that say no, we don't agree in this thing. Then these people are busy even recruiting our own boys to work for them inside town while they are in the bushes, working for whosoever they are working for to destroy Igbo. This is what is going on in our own land. And the governors are not doing anything about these things. My people, let me bring you the video of Wike. May you hear Wike, what Wike talk. Wike say he don't come on, no be Igbo. Again, saying be Ikwerre, and Ikwerre man is Ikwerre man. That is speak Ikwerre, that is in slang. Let us play the video before we come back and continue.
I'm a typical unrepentant man, Ikwerre man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear. I have no problem with Igbo people, and I have no problem with them. I've associated with Igbo people. The mere fact we're all in southeastern Nigeria. The mere fact we're in northern Nigeria doesn't make you an Hausa man. Doesn't make you a Fulani man. Doesn't make you a Kanuri person. Doesn't make you not a thief person. The mere fact that you share some similarities, the languages are close, doesn't make you that you are sorry for. I mean, what is all this thing? Senator Donald Mata has a right to associate with whoever he wants to associate. I, as Ezewo, yes, Wike, I don't retempt
like you.
Yes.
A well-recognized one. Former Senate President pro tempore.
Yes.
The distinguished Senator John Asutambata has just been elected as the president of Ohanaeze Indigo.
Yes.
A pan-Igbo social-cultural organization.
Yes.
Has that made you to be an Igbo man? Or every Ikwerre man?
No, don't go there, no. I'm a typical unrepentant man, Ikwerre man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear. I have no problem with Igbo people, and I have no problem with them. I've associated with Igbo people. The mere fact we're all in southeastern Nigeria. The mere fact we're in northern Nigeria doesn't make you an Hausa man. Doesn't make you a Fulani man. Doesn't make you a Kanuri person. Doesn't make you not a thief person. The mere fact that you share some similarities, the languages are close, doesn't make you that you are sorry for. I mean, what is all this thing? Senator John Asutamata has a right to associate with whoever he wants to associate. I, as Ezewo, Yesom, Wike, an unrepentable Ikwerre man, an unrepentable Ihoro man, I'm not an Igbo man.
Okay, but are you happy that an Ikwerre man
want to say
is Ohanaeze president?
Please, I'm not a member of Ohanaeze. So what I'm not a member, how can you tell me? I don't know what they are doing there.
He's a kinsman.
But by default now, your kinsman is the chairman.
What benefit will I derive? Something I'm not a member of. You know what is there. You know why you are there. You know the benefit that will accrue to you. So if it's going to be good, okay. But as Ikwerre, they have spoken. And Ikwerre have said, count us out. And where Ikwerre is where I am. I will never, for anything, no matter the disadvantage. Some of my fellow colleagues come to tell me, don't talk on this, I say, don't talk on what? You know, by your position. I say, So, because of politics, I will deny my identity. Because I'm from minority, I will not do that one. I will never deny my identity simply because I want to be recognized, to be majority. I will not do it.
Are you happy for him?
If he's happy, why would I say I'm not happy for him? I mean, why would I say so? If that will suit you, okay. But for me, as the Ohanaeze man, as a very person, I am where I am, and I will not be. Igbos we are very close. We do things together. We have similarities in so many things. But that does not mean I should go and change my identity now. Simply because he said I should be. Simply because I'm a politician. Oh, somebody told me yesterday, you know, you may want to president this country. I said, okay, get out from here. Get out. I want the president. So what? That's why I should go and answer somebody's mother's name. I'm not.
All right, Honorable Minister, we have come.
So if there's no law like that, I don't think Mbata is totally wrong by associating with Ohanaeze Ndigbo. For me, Ohanaeze is Ndigbo. It does not mean that everybody from that region belongs to that place. You must be a registered member before you become before you can be addressed as Ohanaeze Ndigbo member, isn't it? So Mbata is a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, and by what they said, by their assertions that this is the turn of River State, it's like the zone is to every state. Whoever belongs to that place, you contest. Is Uche an Igbo man? The answer is no. And from what we gather, Uche has become a Secretary General for Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Why is it that there were no reactions when he was a Secretary General? Why is Mbata on difference? Mbata is a free moral agent as man, so he can associate with whomever. Mbata has never one day said that he has engrafted Ikwerre people or Rivers people or Nigerians to be Ohanaeze Ndigbo members. No. Except he says so. Mbata is representing himself. He's not representing River State. He's not representing Ikwerre. He's not representing Ogoni.
Ogoni Igbos too?
Well, I'm not in a position to say. I'm not an Ogoni man. But I believe that they know their genealogy. They know where they came from. Okay. Yes.
So let me repeat it again. Sir Mbata is not representing the Ikwerre clan.
Not at all.
He's only representing. He has a freedom of association.
He has the freedom of association. He associates.
Ikwerres in River State have kicked against it that he ceases to be a bona fide.
I think my brother. I think they are trying to make Mbata very relevant in Nigerian politics. That is why I see it. Okay. Me as an individual, I can decide to be a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, you choose to associate.
Nothing stops me. In as well as the law does not stop me, you an individual cannot stop me. So I don't know why the reaction. For me, it's not a matter for, for reaction. People begin to talk about Ikwerre people, talking, the people talking, even the extent of the former governor of the state, yes, so we can begin to talk about his, how do this, that's what he used. Unrepentant Ikwerre man. Did Mbata say he's not an Ikwerre man? I've not seen Mbata say so.
Why did you feel like Igbo love to associate with Ikwerre? They want to have affiliation with Ikwerre.
I try to correct this impression.
Yes.
it is very wrong to compare a whole 5 states with an ethnic group in a state. If people are comparing, they are really good themselves. Ikwerre is an ethnic group in River State, right? Igbo, you are talking about, it's made up of 5 states. It's a region. Do you understand? So if there is anything like comparison, Igbo should compare themselves with South-South. Should compare themselves with South-East. Not a particular ethnic group.
People from our comment section, you people don't know your history. You don't know what you are.
Does the person know his own history?
Yeah.
They said it from where? Greek or where?
Yeah, from Gad, in Israel.
In Israel. Then what brought them here? Are they speaking Israeli language? Are they speaking Israeli language? Are they answering Israeli name? See, the Igbos have a way of interweaving with Ikwerre people because we are close. Marriage, they say, is people you are close with. That's the people you marry. I cannot be here now and marry somebody in abroad, if not because of what is it called? Internet. Okay, you marry somebody you see, somebody associate with. But we associating with them because they are close with us. Got no because on.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Don't forget to see there for Barabas Gist. I beg, may you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section because for this last one, you don't read though. Wike they cry anyam for this last one because this Igbo Ohanaeze president away from Ikwerre don't shocktalize Wike. I beg, more share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.